Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's road. At this time, we're flashing forward right to where we end our last session. In case you missed it, you can just click the description above and it will take you right there. We are going to be starting our journey at the Bull Bay Police Station, Bull Bay St. Andrew, and then we'll be working our way to Bull Bay St. Thomas area, so you can get a visual as to what is happening. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Now we're at the Bull Bay Bridge and we are trying to head over this bridge. What we're having here at this time, we have a two-lane thoroughfare which is now being expanded on the right to have another 2 lanes, which will make it the 4-lane thoroughfare as we have seen in the plans. Hence, the roadwork is going to be expanding onto the right hand side, and that there will be causing some more demolition to be taking place on our right. As we make our progress from this bridge, it will lead us to the Bull Pass Bridge, and this Bull Pass Bridge is a new bridge that is currently on its way undergoing development, which can be seen on your right if you look over in the geography. It is the bridge that will be connecting Bull Bay St. Andrew to Bull Bay St. Thomas. So it will be like a slip road that takes us right into St. Thomas. So for those who are not traveling along the highway, they will see St. Thomas from another angle. So right here, as we're looking on screen, is the Bull Pass Bridge. That is a bridge that we'll be driving on. Yes, and you can see and visualize it. However, for those who are not going to be traveling on that bridge and will be driving in the Bull Bay community, then the welcome to St. Thomas or Bull Bay St. Thomas will be at a different location. And as we progress, we will bring you closer to that said location. It should be noted that this area will be a bypass road after the bridge is constructed and it is accommodating traffic flow. However, at this time, we are currently utilizing this thoroughfare in order to make our transition commute from St. Andrew through to St. Thomas. So while we're here, I'm going to allow you to see what the road looks like that will no longer be utilized in a little while. While we are traversing this territory, I just want to bring our attention to Noel McCann's comments. He informed us that the upgraded section of the road from the Harborview roundabout to the St. Benedict area church was actually done by KIER Caribbean Construction, and this area was not actually done by China Harbor. We were also informed the Caribbean Construction office were located at the harbor head just before you get to the roundabout for approximately 60 years before they left Jamaica in 2016. He also informed us that West Indies Home Construction offices are now located at that premises. Just for information and update, we thank Noel McCann for giving us a brief overview as to what transpired, so we can fill in the places with the right date and the time. We salute you, Noel, and keep commenting as we add information and update them accordingly. As we continue to make our way through this territory, this terrain, it is a hope that you will find value in the information that is presented. Provided that value is found in this information, please go ahead and turn the like button blue. Otherwise, you can also share this information, this video, with your friends and family, because the application of knowledge is indeed power. And whatever we know, you will know. And we want this community to grow as closely knitted as is reasonably possible. Thank you once again to all our new subscribers here on RoadTripja. We are truly grateful to have you been a part of the family. Please don't hesitate to hit the VIP section, the comments. Our next area will be at the transitional border, which is the Bull Bay St. Andrew and the Bull Bay St. Thomas border area, which will be right where there is an intention to develop the 91 acres of land for the luxury villas that are currently pending. And as we can look at the right, that area is designated for groundbreaking. And this area is located right a little bit before we reach to the Suncoast Adventure Park area, which we will observe that the road thoroughfare will be running from Bull Bay St. Andrew, which can be seen on our right, and moving us all the way into the Bull Bay St. Thomas. And if we observe carefully, these two roads will be joined. So if you look at your left hand, the road over on that section will be joined. But for now, as we proceed a little bit down past this area, we have a new road that is already built and is somewhat paved, which is going to be a slip-off road so that we can utilize this side until the other areas have been developed adequately. And this road will be taking us all the way back to the Masger Garden community. And in that geography, we can experience consistent and constant development. We are seeing they are making progress. And at the end of this video, we're going to just give you a brief screenshot as to what is taking place. And the next session will be picking up from this area, so you can see in real time the work and the updated impact to our development here in Jamaica, in the parish of St. Andrew, St. Thomas, and even in Portland. But as always, walk, ride, drive, and fly good. Have yourself a productive day, and see you at the end of the road. This is Dr. A signing out from RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's roads.